Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a quotation and convert it into a sales order in Odoo 19. Along the way, I will also explain how we can understand cash and the credit customers in Odoo. Let's get started. Let me just click on the sales module and let me just click on the new button. So this will open a quotation form. We need to select the customer and then add the required product quantity and the price. Now let's talk about the cash and the credit customers. In Odoo, cash and credit customers don't necessarily need to be created as two different customer types. The difference is mainly based on how and when the customer is expected to pay. For a cash customer, payment is expected immediately. For a credit customer, we provide an agreed credit period such as 15 days or 30 days. This can be managed using the payment terms in Odoo. Now let me just select a customer. I will just create one customer and I will just add some products. So here I can specify the unit price or the selling rate. So I will just add here some rate, and in the other info tab we need to select a correct warehouse that needs to be used. So we will have different warehouse, so whatever specific warehouse we need, we can select that. So in this case I am selecting this warehouse, and after that we can select the payment terms. So I am imagining that this customer is a cash customer, so the payment will be immediate. So I just click immediate payment and click on save. So now I will just click on the confirm button. So once I click on the confirm button, the quotation will be changed from quotation state to sales order state, and we can see the draft delivery is created. Similarly, since this product's configuration invoicing policy is based on ordered quantities, so you can see the create invoice button once the SO is converted to sales order. If the invoicing policy is on delivered quantities, then you cannot create invoice before the delivery is validated. So that's the basic quotation to sales order process in Odoo 19. If you are new to Odoo and want to explore, you can use the Odoo link provided in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching.